gears to our weather here. It's been a windy one, but warm wind.
Oh, yeah. We set a record high today. We made it up to 67 degrees, just shy of 70. So we've been talking about how winter's been taking a break, right? And that seems to be the case through the weekend. We just got to get these winds down here tonight, and that will make for quieter times ahead. So winds will begin to relax. They're already doing that. In fact, they're in the process of coming down now off the peaks from earlier today. And, well, temperature-wise, yes, if you've stepped out here over the past several hours, you know it's cooler out there, right? But still, when you compare it to where we should be this time of the year, it won't feel bad at all for February. And that's the same story for the weekend. I think you're going to enjoy this February weekend we have coming up. All right, let's deal with these winds because we've had tropical storm force wind gusts throughout the day. CVG maxed out with a 56-mile-an-hour wind gust. Most of our wind gusts have generally been between 55 and 60 miles per hour. So, as I alluded to, the winds peaked earlier this afternoon. We are now experiencing those gusts that are dropping under 50. And that will allow the high wind warning to expire by 7 o'clock. And then overnight tonight, those winds go pretty calm outside. So you can already see what's happening to our gusts. A lot of our gusts are already now beginning to drop under 40 miles per hour, with the exception of Wilmington. They're still pretty strong up there northeast of Cincinnati. And even our sustained winds, which at one point were over 30 miles an hour earlier today, they're also beginning to come down. So all the indicators point to our winds beginning to relax. Hence, that's the reason why I think you're starting to see those power outage numbers come down some. Now, we are beginning to see these winds bring in some cooler temperatures. Look at the gradient. We've got 60s to our east. You were in the 70s earlier today, West Union, to temperatures now falling into the 40s. So, yes, it's going to turn cooler this evening, but not much cooler than what you're seeing right now. So, in and around the metro, we're falling through the 50s and down into the 40s. So, it's time to break those jackets and sweaters back out. Let's track the winds, and you'll see how they relax here over the next several hours. Notice the gust by 8 o'clock, mostly under 35 miles per hour. And then by the time we make it towards 10 and 11 o'clock tonight, most of our wind gusts are eventually under 30. So again, overall, the trend is for a calming of those winds. Clouds are rolling in. We had a little sun out there. That's what helped boost us to 70. We don't have to worry about any rain. That storm center tonight will stay up closer to the Great Lakes. So you'll see the clouds that are in here. Expect mostly cloudy skies overnight. I think some clouds linger into the start of your Friday, but eventually we should get into some sunshine Friday afternoon and make it for a pretty nice day, just a little cooler than today. Right now, it's 49 degrees outside here in Cincinnati. Check your 12-hour forecast. Temperatures will keep falling through the 40s the next several hours, and by morning, we'll get down into the mid-30s. So it's back to at least light jacket and sweater weather. But I tell you what, you're always winning in the weather game whenever temperatures are above freezing at night in February. So winds relax tonight, chilly, 35. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, cooler. I still call it a nice day because guess what? We top out in the 40s, and that's still higher than we should be this time of the year. So there's a look at your day planner. More clouds tomorrow, again, and a cooler afternoon. There'll be less wind, too, so it won't be nearly as windy. Here's your 7-day forecast. I mean, this does not look like a February 7-day when you think about it here because our normal high is 42. Look at this. Over the next 7 days, every single number is above average for this time of the year. And in fact, next week, we're climbing into the mid-60s. And Mike and Ashley, we may have to worry about the threat for thunderstorms and potentially severe weather with temperatures getting that warm towards the middle part of next week.
All right, Kevin, thanks so much. Coming up, a legend.